Welcome back to another video by ALTBAE. This is a very quick video, unlike my previous ones where I rambled on. I'd like to talk about a fun meme project which is slowly gathering steam and not many people are speaking about it, at least on YouTube. Before I continue, I must let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Please do further research and only invest money which you can afford to lose, especially with meme coins. So the project I want to talk about is DUCKER. The ticker is DUCKER, and it's 0.002 Great British pounds. And I bought into this a few days ago, so like a really good price. I'm currently down about 4% at the moment as it's had this dip. And the all-time high was 11 months ago, and the all-time low was only 5 days ago. So if this is the bottom it'll ever be, now could be a good time to buy. Again, not FOMO. It's just you decide if you want to do this. So let's move on to the website. Actually, just before we go on to the website, the markets is Uniswap on Ethereum. Okay. So I was just reading through quite a few stuff. So DUCKER is all about this duck, and you might have seen YouTube videos about how to carry a duck. So the spirit of Doge and the power of Ethereum. So it says DUCKER was created by Doge lovers to revive its true spirit and go even further. Thanks to the strength of the Ethereum blockchain. So that's the main focus of this. Okay, so it's a lot, but it's also light-hearted memes where it's just all about where you could use it as a way to tip, just like how Doge was intended at the beginning. So on the chain, it's the Ethereum blockchain, 0% tax, liquidity of burn, and contract is renounced. So this is really, really, really good. That's kind of a history of how Doge was created, and it's got a comparison between DUCKER and Dogecoin. So the total supply of DUCKER is 100 million. So there won't be any more or any more than that. So it's not deflationary. It's not inflationary. So then I'll go on to that in a moment. So Doge and Ether to make DUCKER. So that's the thinking behind it. So this is why they believe that Ethereum is the best blockchain. I'll go on to the roadmap. It's just really about having fun, so there's not really much of a roadmap there. Cool stuff here. We're going to have meme contests, and people can win extra duckers regardless of the dollar value. So the most important point of this video, if you're still around, please like and subscribe. So as I mentioned before, it has a utility in the way that you can tip each other. And is there a burn or new DUCKER releases over time? No, there is no burn, no creation of new DUCKER with time. All of them already exist. 100 million, not one more, not one less. And again, just like with memes, it's possibly a possibility that you could get rich on this, but please only, if you do decide to invest, only invest what you can afford to lose. So how do you get rich? Work. How to make money, sorry. Work, only cry. So that's it. That's my quick short video. I will be posting up more content now. I've got a range of thumbnails about projects I want to discuss, and also talk about other tokens I have bought recently. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.